This is the fast inverse square root algorithm. The power of this method came from these two lines right here. These two lines afforded the programmers to avoid the division step that happens usually in the calculation for an inverse square root. Let's look at this line first. We're taking the address of y, and we're going to cast it into an integer pointer, and then we dereference the pointer, which effectively converts y from a float to an integer. This is considered undefined behavior, and is the reason for this evil floating point bit level hacking comment here. This section of this line here bit shifts I right by 1, which effectively divides it by 2. This algorithm subtracts what is effectively half of I from this magic constant here. And the important part of this whole line together is when you subtract half of I from this magic constant, you get a fairly close approximation of the inverse square root. This really quick approximation meant that the developers only had to run one iteration of the Newton-Raphson method to get the approximation to a point where they could use it effectively in a video game.